Hello and welcome at Octopus. This is our first tutorial dealing with the topic Epson 79 inkjet cartridges. For that purpose we're going to switch on an Epson Workforce Pro WF-5110 for the first time. This printer is a print-only device. It does not provide any multifunctional printer characteristics or options. We think that this printer is aiming to work in small or medium-sized offices. When pushing the power button for the first time, the display on the printer comes to life. Now you have to make the first settings of the printer. To make the entries you have to use the arrow buttons and the OK button, which are located on the right side of the display. The display of the 5110 is a bit old school. It's not a touch display, so you must use the arrow buttons and the OK button to make the entries. Just take your time and make the necessary entries. When you're done with that, the printer asks you to install the setup cartridges into the printer. Open the printer's front cover, and on the left side you can see the cartridge compartment for the Epson 79 inkjet cartridges. Each position is marked clearly by color. The Workforce printer comes with a kit of Epson 79 setup cartridges. From our experience we know that the setup cartridges usually have a smaller page yield than normal cartridges. Unfortunately, we have no information available for which page yield the setups are planned for. Each of the Epson 79 cartridges is equipped with a chip. These chips are responsible for the identification of the cartridge towards the printer, and the chips deliver the ink level information as well. Okay, and now it's time to do the actual installation of the cartridges into the printer. Each of the setup cartridges is slided in the respective slot inside the cartridge compartment, and it is clicked into its place by pressing on the rear side properly. When all the cartridges are inside the printer in their place, please close the front cover on the printer and the machine will start to prepare the ink system. On the display you can see the time that is necessary to do the preparation. When the printer is done, it switches back to the normal menu. Using the normal menu we navigate to the ink level information, and you can see that the setups are accepted with a full ink level status. We would like to point out the additional symbol here. That is for the waste ink compartment on the back of the printer. We have not mentioned that before. That tank for the waste ink is also a kind of consumable. When it is shown as fully consumed, you need to replace it with a new tank or change the chip on the tank's side. Please pay also attention to our other video tutorial that demonstrate the use and the fill of the alternative refillable cartridges for Epson 79 inkjet cartridges. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for watching. If you should have remaining questions related to that Epson printer, please do not hesitate to ask. We can test it out for you on our machine. Bye bye.